Have you ever thought about being a change agent? Do you even know what that means? Change agent actually means it's somebody that works within an organization that changes processes, they change culture in a company, and these people can actually come internally, or they can be somebody that you hire externally, which would be a consultant. And what I want to offer you today is, why don't you do that for yourself? Why don't you become a change agent for you? Because you are a company, you are a brand, you are a thing, you are a living, breathing, walking advertisement of you. And you decide on a daily basis how hard you're going to make your life, how easy you're going to make your life, what your attitude is going to be, how happy you're going to be, how pissed off you're going to be. You decide all of that. And to me, that's what a change agent does. A change agent is somebody that comes in a company and they have to actually typically deal with a lot of bureaucracy, a lot of red tape, a lot of people saying, well, we've always done it this way. And guess what? You have to deal with that too. Your bureaucracy and the people saying, well, we've always done it this way. It's right here. It's in your head, and it's that tape you play to yourself all the time. You tell yourself, I could never do X. I'm not smart. I'm not athletic. I'm not talented. No one cares what I have to say. Everyone hates me. I think I'll go eat worms. Do you remember that song? Nobody likes me. Everybody hates me. I think I'll go eat worms. Okay, sorry for the musical interlude. Or maybe it's a chant. I'm not sure. But anyway, is that you? Do you have that voice? Because I know I did. For many years, I felt like it was everybody else's fault that I wasn't getting promoted. It was everybody else's fault that my team wasn't succeeding. It was everyone else's fault that things I asked to get done weren't getting done. Guess what? I became a change agent in my own life. And in that time, what I did was I read a ton of books and took a lot of ownership for who I am. So it wasn't something that happened overnight. It was a process. And I slowly broke down those walls that were in my head about the things I couldn't do, the things that I wasn't. And I stopped blaming other people. I changed one of my groups completely around. And the way I did that was with me and my attitude and how I reacted to things. Because the way I reacted to things was affecting everyone else in my life. You know, a really good example of this is my children. I have noticed that if I'm in a hurry, late for a meeting, I get up late, whatever, I'm like this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We got to get up. We got to get going. Hurry and eat your breakfast. Put your shoes on. We got to get out the door. Oh my God. And inevitably, they cry. And for some reason, putting on shoes is like they freeze, they can't do it, something that they can do effortlessly on their own. They don't need me for that, but in those mornings, they need me because I have just put the fear of God in them, poor things, and making them think that we're rushing around because of them. No, we're not. We're rushing around because of me, because I woke up late, because I have a big meeting and I'm not thinking about what's going on right now. Now, when I changed this, woke up a little bit earlier, had lunches packed before they got up, did things like that, and actually woke them up and played with them. We typically have a 15-minute buffer in the morning now. And guess what? We always get in the car on time. My daughter is actually chomping at the bit to get in the car every day. Mom, are we going to be late for the bus stop? We better get in the car. And it's so much better. And nothing changed in that situation but me. So think about something in your life. Maybe it's a team you manage. Maybe it's your boss. Maybe it's your spouse. Maybe it is your kids, just like mine. What could you do differently? How could you be a change agent? Because once you address that and you take ownership of that, that's where the magic happens, baby.